here's how we're starting off, and nothing otherwise anticipated. It has to be a flat morning. It will be a flat 45 minutes. I'll really doubt there'll be a remarkable up move or a massive down move, either direction really, ahead of what the RBI governor has to say about the MPC decision. Mid caps, small caps, maybe a tad bit more, but I would really surprise if even they have some very exaggerated moves. No, not really. Get the heat map up on the screen for whatever it's worth. Maybe there are individual movers here and there, metals maybe here and there. Trent, by the way, after yesterday's 2.5-3% uptick, has gained another couple of percentage points. So that is making its presence felt. A little bit of ITC, ICICI Bank holding up. So that's the heavyweight, right? The ICICI Bank and ITC bucket is the heavyweight which is helping the index stay higher and thwarting the kind of losses that might be coming in for a TCS, SBI, etc., HDFC Bank. So that's the long and short of it, Samina. Practically nothing to report from the index, save for Trent though, because after the late surge yesterday, it's building on another couple of percentage points here.
Back at prices that we haven't seen in a while, 7,000 again on Trent. I mean, it was only a few weeks ago when it had threatened and broken sub 6,000 and 5,900 when a couple of marquee names had already invested in the stock. But looking good on Trent, but just like Trent, which had a later move, BSE continues its up move in today's session. Across the broader market universe, the picture is also as flat as it gets, but no surprises there. This is largely a trade that is expected. Traders probably have hit the snooze button this morning up until the RBI governor goes into his speech. Your top gainer is Westlife after there has been that upgrade coming in with a 35% increase in target price by Goldman Sachs. The stock becomes the biggest gainer on the Nifty 500, up 4.5%. BSE is up 3.5%, so there's no stopping this one. It seems to be playing on the strength that we saw yesterday. Record highs on BSE yesterday, another 3.8% added to the counter. REITs, I mentioned that with a big order, not a big order win, a significant order win in that sense, 148 crores coming from IIM Raipur. The stock is seeing an up move of nearly 4%. Harsha Engineers, they've signed a long-term pact. Let's see what they are getting up to. GPT Healthcare has entered into an MOU. Harsha Engineering is up 2.5%. GPT Healthcare is up 1.5%. Garden Reach, while it has only reiterated the order and contract of construction and delivery, the markets are giving it a thumbs up, flat, up about 2% in trade. ITI looks good. Timken India, Praj Industries, fertilizers continue to trade higher. Yesterday also, the day started out with fertilizer counters seeing traction. Today seems to be no different in the early hours of trade. On the sell side, you have quite a few counters that are seeing some pressure in trade. Angel One is down 3%. HEG continues its downward journey after a fall yesterday. The stock is trading lower today as well. TBO Tech, Phoenix Mills, Whirlpool, Verinova are some of the other counters that are seeing a downward pressure. Capital market players are trading weak, so from your 361 to Angel One, there is a little bit of selling that these stocks are witnessing in early minutes of trade. So all in all, it's a flat morning. There's no reason to be concerned about. Suraj Estate was a stock in news yesterday, 6% up move on Suraj Estate. Ramco Systems, take a look at how well Ramco is doing as well, 7% up move on Ramco. So Suraj, Ramco become your top gainers from the broader market universe. Not Ramco Cement, Ramco Systems. If we can get that one quickly up on the screen, is up about 8%. HEG continues a downfall. BSE continues its upward journey in trade. Very quickly, Kush, what's the trade on Trent at 5,900? Traders were unwilling to touch it at 7,100. What does one do?